Hello children, good morning to all of you. Welcome back in mathematics class. And today we are going to start the chapter identity. As you know, we are following the book R.S. Agrawal. So be ready with that book and chapter number 13, which is identity. So firstly, I am going to tell you some identities which you have to learn and you have to apply in this chapter. So see, the first identity is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus a into b. This is the first identity. Whenever we multiply x plus a and x plus b, we find this. So learn it as an identity. X square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now second identity is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2a into b. This is the second identity. Now third one is a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. And the fourth identity is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b in one bracket and a minus b in another bracket. Now remember it. If this part is your question, then that part will be your answer. And if this part is your question, then that part will be your answer. Okay? First see it, learn it. Then after we will start the exercise. Okay? Now we are going to start your exercise number 13A. See this? Exercise number 13A. Here the first question and first part, it is given that x plus 5 into x plus 7. We have to solve it. We have to multiply these two brackets. Otherwise, we have to evaluate it. Languages can be different, but meaning is same. Just see, how will you know out of 4 which identity is applied here? Very easily you can see x plus 5 into x plus 7. If you compare out of 4, it is looking like the first identity. Here first term of both the brackets are similar and second term of both the brackets are different. That means this one is looking like the identity of the first one. Okay, so what is the identity? Is square of the first term plus sum of the different terms. You can see that x plus a, at the place of a there is 5. X plus 7, x plus b, at the place of b there is 7. So identity is x square plus a plus b into x. At the place of a 5 plus at the place of b 7. And then x plus a into b means 5 into 7. Now solve this. X square plus 12x plus 35, and this will be your answer. So if you learn the identity, only you have to do practice for applying it and then you can calculate it. Very easily you will get your answer. See one more question. Just like second one is b plus 2 into b plus 3. Again this one is looking like x plus a into x plus b. At the place of x there is b, at the place of a there is 2. At the place of x there is b, at the place of b there is 3. So identity is x square. At the place of x there is b, so we will write b square plus in the bracket a plus b. at the place of A 2 plus at the place of B there is 3 into x, at the place of x there is B, plus A into B, that means 2 into 3. Now B square plus 2 plus 3 is 5, B plus 2 into 3 is 6, and this is your answer. Understood? These questions are very easy if you learn the identity. Okay, please note down. Okay, now see some more questions. In every question there are 4 parts. So I am doing only 2, remaining 2 is your homework. See here, in the question number 1, third and fourth part I am going to tell here. See once again. C plus 2 by 3 is multiplied by C plus 3 by 5. Again, this one is looking like x plus A into x plus B. At the place of x there is C, at the place of A there is 2 by 3. At the place of x there is C, at the place of B there is 3 by 5. So according to the identity, x square, that means square of the first term, here it will be C square, plus A plus B, 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5 into C, plus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5. Identity is x square plus A plus B into x plus A into B. At the place of x there is C, so this will be C square. At the place of A plus B, here will be 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5 into C, because at the place of x there is C, plus A into B. At the place of A there is 2 by 3, at the place of B there is 3 by 5. Now simplify it. C square plus, if you simplify it you have to take the LCM here. 3 and 5 LCM is 15. Now 3 dividing 15 coming 5, 5 into 2 10, plus 5 dividing 15 coming 3, 3 into 3 is 9. Then C plus, here you can see that 3 is dividing 3 by 1 times, so remaining is 2 by 5. So your answer is C square plus 19 by 15C plus 2 by 5. This is your answer. Same we are going to do here also. T plus 4 by 3 into T plus 1 by 3. So according to the identity, T square plus 4 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into T plus 4 by 3 into 1 by 3. Because this is the identity. Square of the first term plus sum of the non-equal terms into first term plus product of the non-equal terms. Okay, now calculate it. This one is T square plus, to solve this you have to take the LCM 3. Then here you will get 4 plus 1 into T, because 3 is dividing 3 coming 1, 1 is multiplied by 4 becomes 4. This plus is copied here. 3 dividing 3 coming 1, 1 is multiplied by numerator 1, so we are getting 1 here. Plus 4 is multiplied by 1 becomes 4, 3 into 3 is 9. So your answer is T square plus 5 by 3T plus 4 by 9. Understood? Now question number 2. In the question number 2, first and second part I am leaving for you. See the third and fourth part. Here C minus 5 into C plus 1. See once again, first term is same and second term is different. So again it is looking like x plus A into x plus B. At the place of A we will use minus 5. Okay, only this is the trick here. C minus 5 is not looking like x plus A, but C minus 5 can be written as C plus in the bracket minus 5. So at the place of A we can use minus 5. So apply the identity here. A square plus A plus B means minus 5 plus 1 into C plus A into B means minus 5 into 1. Is this understood? Again we are applying the identity x plus A into x plus B. Since here minus 5 is present, so at the place of A we will use minus 5. Now calculate it. C square plus minus 5 plus 1 will become minus 4, and minus 5 into 1 becomes minus 5. Minus 5 into plus becomes minus 5. Now open this bracket also. Plus into minus becomes minus. So C square minus 4C minus 5 is your answer. Same we are going to do here also. At the place of A there is minus 13. At the place of B there is minus 10. So according to the identity, B square plus minus 13 is added with minus 10. Then B plus minus 13 is multiplied by minus 10. See the identity. X square plus A plus B into X plus A into B. That identity I have used here. Now calculate it. Minus 13 is added with minus 10. It will become minus 23. Here minus into minus becomes plus. Plus is multiplied by plus becomes plus. 13 into 10 is 130. Now open this bracket also. Plus into minus becomes minus, then 23b plus 130, and this is your identity. That means every question is based on the same identity. Now see question number 3. B minus 6 into B minus 8. Again this one is looking like this one. Are you watching? Second term is negative. So same pattern we will follow here also. What we will do? B square plus minus 6 is added with minus 8, then B plus minus 6 is multiplied with minus 8. Now calculate it. B square plus minus 6 is added with minus 8, it will become minus 14, because both have the negative sign, number will be added. Okay, then B minus into minus becomes plus, plus is multiplied with plus becomes plus. 6 into 8, 48. Now open this bracket. B square minus 14b plus 48, and this is your answer. Okay, same in every question we are following the same process. See here also in the fourth part, A minus 3 by 5 is multiplied with A minus 3. So what we will do? A square plus in the bracket minus 3 by 5 is added with minus 1 by 3, then A plus minus 3 by 5 is multiplied with minus 1 by 3. Now calculate it. When you open this bracket, you will see that minus 3 by 5 minus 1 by 3a. And here minus into minus becomes plus. 3 is divided by 3. We are getting plus 1 by 5. To solve this, we have to take the LCM. If we take the LCM, it will come 15. 5 dividing 15 coming 3. 3 is multiplied with minus 3 becomes minus 9. Same here also. 3 dividing 15 coming 5. 5 into 1 is 5. A plus 1 by 5. Now minus into plus becomes minus, and minus 9 minus 5 is 14. Understood this one? Minus 9 minus 5 become minus 14. Minus 14 is multiplied by plus, then becomes minus. So your answer is A square minus 14 by 15a plus 1 by 5. Now please note it down. Okay, children, now see the next questions. The question number 4, part 1 I am telling, second I am giving you as the homework because both are same. So see this. In the question number 4, part 1, x minus 1 by 2 into x plus 3 by 2. Again first term is same and second term is different. So we will apply the identity x plus a into x plus b. So what is the identity? X square plus minus 1 by 2 into 3 by 2 into x plus minus 1 by 2 into 3 by 2. Now simplify this. X square plus, to solve this 2 will be taken as LCM, then numerator will become minus 1 plus 3. I hope you have understood it now. This one plus into minus becomes minus. 1 is multiplied by 3 becomes 3. 2 is multiplied by 2 becomes 4. Because in the case of multiplication of the fractions, numerator is multiplied with numerator, denominator is multiplied with denominator. That is why we are getting 3 by 4. Now here minus 1 plus 3 becomes 2. So 2 upon 2x minus 3 by 4. 2 is dividing 2 coming 1. So x square plus x minus 3 by 4 is your answer. No need to write 1 before x because counting is always started from 1. So 1x is never written, always write x only. Okay, now question number 5, part 3. 3a minus 8 is multiplied with 3a plus 2. See once again, first term of the brackets are same and second terms are different. So again we will apply the same identity. X plus a into x plus b. At the place of x there is 3a. So we will write here 3a whole square plus a plus b. At the place of a there is minus 8. At the place of b there is 2. So in the bracket minus 8 plus 2. This is at the place of a plus b into x. At the place of x there is 3a plus a into b. So a is minus 8 into 2. Understood the identity? X square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. So we have to compare our question with the identity x plus a and x plus b. And then we will put the values. Now calculate it. 3 square is 9. A square minus 8 plus 2 becomes minus 6. Because 1 is negative, 1 is positive, then subtraction will take place and sign will be taken from the larger face value number. Okay, this is 3a. Minus into plus becomes minus. 8 into 2, 16. Now 9a square minus 18a minus 16 is your answer. Okay, minus 6 is multiplied by 3 becomes minus 18 and minus 18 is multiplied by plus becomes minus 18. Okay, now see the second one. Here also 5x minus 2, 5x minus 7. So first term is similar. So 5x square plus in the second bracket minus 2 minus 7. Because minus 2 is added with minus 7, then we can write in this way. Okay? Into 5x plus minus 2 into minus 7. Your first step will be always putting the value on identity. Then in the second step you will calculate it. 5 square is 25, then x square plus minus 2 minus 7 becomes minus 9. 5x minus into minus becomes plus. Plus is multiplied by plus becomes plus. 2 into 7, 14. Now open this bracket. 25x square plus into minus becomes minus. 9 into 5 is 45. So this statement is your answer. Okay. Now see question number 6. Part 3. Z square plus 3 is multiplied with Z square plus 7. Again it is looking like x plus a into x plus b. At the place of x there is Z square. So Z square whole square, because we have to write x square, and at the place of x there is Z square. So we will write Z square whole square plus a plus b into x. So 3 plus 7 into Z square plus a into b, that is 3 into 7. Be very careful. We are writing here Z square because at the place of x there is Z square. Okay. Now we know that exponent over exponents are multiplied. So this will become Z power 4 plus 3 plus 7 is 10. Then Z square. 3 into 7 is 21. And this is your answer. Okay, because every term is different, so we cannot solve it furthermore. That is why this will be your answer. Same is here also. Again at the place of x there is t square. At the place of a there is minus 2. At the place of x t square. At the place of b there is minus 5. So according to the identity, t square whole square, because x square is the identity, plus minus 2 minus 5 at the place of a plus b. When minus 2 is added with minus 5, we can write minus 2 minus 5 into x at the place of x t square plus minus 2 into minus 5. Understood? The same identity we are applying here. Now this will become t power 4 plus minus 2 minus 5 becomes minus 7. Minus is multiplied by minus becomes plus. Plus into plus is plus here. And 2 into 5 is 10. So your answer is t power 4 minus 7t square plus 10. Okay. Now 7th part 1. AB minus 2 into AB plus 4. So you are watching that at the place of x there is AB. So we will write AB square. X square means AB square plus A plus B at the place of A minus 2 plus at the place of B 4. Then x. At the place of x there is AB. So we will write here AB plus A into B, that is minus 2 into 4. I have put the values at the identity. X square plus A plus B into x plus A into B. That is the identity. So I have compared our question with x plus A into x plus B, and then I have put the value. Now this will become A square B square plus minus 2 plus 4 becomes plus 2. Then AB minus into plus becomes minus. 4 into 2 is 8, and this will be your answer. So watch every step carefully and try to learn how to solve it. Okay, please note down. Okay children, now see some more questions of this exercise. The question number 7 part 2. Watch carefully. 2 plus xy is multiplied with 3 minus xy. Notice here, in this question the second part is same and first part is different. That means directly we cannot apply, because here it is looking like a plus x into a plus b plus x. So first we will arrange it in our identity form. Otherwise you can do it directly multiply without any identity. Yes, it is not necessary that if two brackets are multiplied then always we have to apply the identity. No, it's not necessary. So see this question without using identity. The simple multiplication method is the first term is multiplied with both the term of the second bracket and second term of the first bracket is also multiplied with both the term of the second bracket. That means first 2 is multiplied with this 3. So we will write 2 into 3. Then 2 is multiplied with minus xy. So we will write here minus 2 into xy, because plus into minus becomes minus. Then plus xy is multiplied with 3. So we can write plus 3xy. And then plus xy is multiplied with minus xy. Then it becomes minus xy whole square. Is this understood? 2 is multiplied by 3. So 2 into 3. 2 is multiplied with minus xy. So minus 2xy. Plus xy is multiplied with 3. So we can write plus 3xy. Plus xy is multiplied with minus xy. So plus into minus becomes minus. And xy into xy is xy whole square. Now calculate it. 6 minus 2 and plus 3. Notice here. This is minus 2xy, this is plus 3xy. So plus xy will remain here, minus this will be x square into y square, and this is your answer. So without using identity also we can multiply in this way. See question number 8 part 1. 4a minus 5b is multiplied with 3a plus 2b. We are watching that first term are also different, second terms are also different. That means no identity can be applied here. So definitely this will be done by the simple multiplication method which I have done here. How you will do? See, 4a is multiplied with 3a. So 4a into 3a. Then 4a is multiplied with plus 2b. So plus 4a into 2b. Now minus 5b is multiplied with 3a. So minus, because minus into plus becomes minus. Then 5b into 3a. Then minus 5b is multiplied with plus 2b. So minus into plus becomes minus. Then 5b into 2b. Understood? Each term of the first bracket will be multiplied with each term of the second bracket. Okay? Now 4 into 3, 12, then a square. Plus 4 into 2, 8ab. Minus 5 into 3, 15ab. Minus 5 into 2, 10, and b into b, b square. Now we can see that these two terms are the like terms. So they can be solved. 12a square. 8 minus 15 is minus 7. And then minus 10b square, and this will be your answer. Okay. Same method we are going to do, we are going to follow here also. Same method. First term is different, second terms are also different. So no identity will be applied, just a simple multiplication. How to multiply? 2m is multiplied with 4m. So we will write 2m into 4m. Then 2m is multiplied with minus 3n. So minus 2m into 3n. Because plus into minus becomes minus here. Now minus 4n into 4m. So this will be minus 4n into 4m. Here minus 4n into minus 3n. So minus is multiplied with minus becomes plus, and 4n into 3n. Understood? First I have multiplied sign, then after numbers. Minus into minus becomes plus, then 4n into 3n. Now calculate it. 2 into 4, 8 m square. 2 into 3, 6 mn. 4 into 4, 16 mn. Plus 4 into 3, 12 n square. Again these two are the like terms. So your answer is 8m square minus 22mn plus 12n square. This is your answer. Okay. Now see question number 9, second and third part. First part I have left for you. Okay. Now see. 4m upon p minus 0.2 n upon q is multiplied with 3m upon p plus 0.5 n upon q. Here no terms are similar. So again we will do it by simple multiplication method. How to multiply? 4m upon p is multiplied with 3m upon p. Then first term is multiplied with this. So we will write here plus. Because plus into plus becomes plus. Then 4m upon p is multiplied with 0.5 n upon q. Now second term is multiplied with both. So first minus into plus becomes minus. 0.2 n upon q is multiplied with 3m upon p. Again minus is multiplied with plus becomes minus. 0.2 n upon p is multiplied with 0.5 n upon q. Okay. First term is multiplied with both term of the second bracket. Then second term of the first bracket is also multiplied with both term of the second bracket. Now calculate it. Numerator is multiplied with numerator. So 4 into 3 12. M into m square. P into p square. Plus 4 is multiplied with 0.5. So we will get 2.0. So we can write only 2 mn upon pq minus 0.2 is multiplied with 3. We will get 0.6 mn upon pq minus 0.2 into 0.5. When you multiply it, you will get 0.01 and then n into n square and then p into q. Sorry, this one is q. So q into q is q square. Because this is 0.2 n upon q, so here also 0.2 n upon q. So q into q is q square. Now we are watching that middle term is same. Middle term is same, then our answer will be 12m squared upon p square. 2 minus 0.6 will be 1.4. Because mn upon pq, so their coefficient will be solved. So 2 minus 0.6 is 1.4 mn upon pq, and then 0.01 n square upon q square, and this will be your answer. Any problem in understanding? See the third part of the ninth question. 3 by 4x minus 2pq is multiplied with 3x minus 4 by 5pq. Again, no term is similar here. That is why we will solve it by simple multiplication method. How to multiply? 3 by 4x is multiplied with 3x. Then plus into minus becomes minus. You have to be alert for the sign also. Now 3 by 4x is multiplied by 4 by 5pq. Now minus 2pq into 3x, then we will put here minus. Because minus into plus becomes minus. Then 2pq into 3x. Now minus 2pq is multiplied with minus 4 by 5. So it will become plus, because minus into minus becomes plus. Then 2pq into 4 by 5pq. With numbers we have to multiply the sign also. So be very alert about the sign. Now 3 into 3, 9, x into x square upon 4. Here 4 is dividing 4. So we are getting minus 3 by 5 x into pq minus 2 into 3 is 6 x pq plus 2 into 4 is 8 upon 5. P into P, P square. Q into Q, Q square. Okay? 2 into 4 is 8. P into P is P square. Q into Q is Q square. 5 is remaining in the denominator. Now we are watching that this middle term is same. Are you watching? XPQ means these two can be solved. So solve this. If we solve it, minus is here. We have to take LCM 5. Then here we will get 3xpq. Because of this minus will be changed into plus. Because both have the same sign, so numbers will be added. That is why I have put here plus. You can understand in this way कि minus has been taken common here. When minus is taken common, then sign of both the numbers will be changed. 3xpq becomes positive here. This will also become positive, but 5 will be multiplied with 6. 30xpq plus 8 by 5 p square q square. Understood why it is 30? Because 5 is taken LCM here. There is no denominator, so 5 will be multiplied with 6. Now write your answer. 9x square by 4 minus 3 plus 30, 33. xpq upon 5 plus 8 upon 5 p square q square, and this will be your answer. Okay, please note down. Okay children, now see the last question of this exercise, that is the question number 10. First part is 2a square plus 3b square is multiplied with 3a square plus 2b square. Again, no term is similar here, so we cannot use the identity. We will do it by simple multiplication method. And what is the method? First term is multiplied with both, then second term is also multiplied with both. See how. 2a square is multiplied with 3a square. 2a square into 3a square. Then after we will write here plus. Why we will write plus here? Because 2a square is also positive, 2b square is also positive. And when positive is multiplied with positive, our answer is positive. Understood why I am putting here plus? Then 2a square into 2b square. Now we will multiply 3b square with 3a square. Again, 3b square is also positive, 3a square is also positive. So positive into positive is plus. Plus is multiplied with plus, then becomes plus. Then after 3b square into 3a square. Now plus 3b square is multiplied with plus 2b square. So we will write plus 3b square into 2b square. Tell, is this understood? Understood or not? Now 2 into 3 is 6. A square is multiplied with a square, it will become a power 4. Plus 2 is multiplied by 2 becomes 4. A square into b square. Plus 3 into 3 is 9. This also we can write a square b square. Plus 3 into 2 is 6. B square into b square is b power 4. Now in this term both are positive, so 6a power 4 plus 4 plus 9 is 13. A square b square plus 6b power 4, and this will be your answer. Same process we are going to follow here also. Plus x square is multiplied with plus y square, so we will get x square y square. Now plus x square is multiplied with minus 2x square, so our answer is negative here. Because plus into minus becomes minus. Then x square into 2x square. Now plus 5y square is multiplied with y square, so we will get plus. because plus is multiplied with plus becomes plus. Now 5y square into y square. Now plus 5y square is multiplied with minus 2x square. We will get minus. Why? Because plus is multiplied with minus becomes minus. Then 5y square into 2x square. Now calculate it. X square y square minus 2 x square is multiplied with x square becomes x power 4 plus 5 y square is multiplied with y square becomes y power 4 minus 5 into 2 10 x square y square. Now these two terms are similar. So this is 1, this is minus 10. 1 minus 10 is minus 9 x square y square. These two terms will remain same. So minus 2x power 4 plus 5y power 4, and this is your answer. Okay. Now the last question of this exercise, that is 3c square minus 4d square into 4c square minus 3d square. Same pattern we will follow. 3c square is multiplied with 4c square in this way. Then 3c square is positive, 3d square is negative, so our answer is also negative because plus into minus becomes minus. Now 3c square into 3d square. Now is this clear? Plus into minus becomes minus. Now minus 4d square is multiplied with 4c square. So we will write minus 4d square into 4c square because minus into plus becomes minus. Now minus 4d square is multiplied with minus 3d square. So minus into minus becomes plus. Okay. And then 4d square into 3d square. Is this clear now? 3c square into 4c square. 3c square into minus 3d square will be minus 3c square into 3d square because plus into minus becomes minus. Minus 4d square into 4c square will become minus 4d square into 4c square because minus into plus becomes minus. Then minus 4d square into minus 3d square becomes plus because minus into minus becomes plus. Now calculate it. 3 into 4 is 12. C square into C square is C power 4 minus 3 into 3 is 9. C square D square minus 4 into 4 is 16. C square D square plus 4 into 3 is 12. D square into D square is D power 4. Again we are watching these two terms are similar. So we will get here 12c power 4 minus 9 plus 16 is 25. Yes, both have the same sign, so numbers will be added. That is why I am doing 9 plus 16. Okay. Then c square d square plus 12d power 4, and this will be your answer. Okay. Now you can write it, and here your first exercise is over. Now we will meet in the second video with the second exercise. Okay children.